Imagine a baseball game like Blue Jays versus Dodgers in the World Series, but with a completely different experience. You don't just see the players and the ball. You see real-time statistics floating over the field, and you can watch the trajectory of each pitch from any angle, as if you were right there on the field. But wait, there's more. What if you could interact with the data and view plays in 3D using augmented reality, AR? With devices like the Meta Quest or Apple Vision Pro, all of this is possible. It's like having an immersive experience, and trust me, it's not a dream. It's the future of baseball. In the future, with Unity and augmented reality, we could completely change the way we experience baseball. Imagine that while watching a game like Blue Jays versus Dodgers, you could see things like pitch speed or the probability of a home run in real time, floating over the players. You could even view the plays from any angle, as if you were playing a video game, all without leaving your seat. And with AR-powered devices like Meta Quest and the Apple Vision Pro, this is entirely possible. Imagine having all of that in the palm of your hand or right before your eyes while you enjoy baseball in a whole new way. While this all sounds incredible, the best part is that it's already starting to happen. Companies like Meta and Apple are leading the technological revolution that's bringing augmented reality to sports. The World Series fever is real this year, and fans are craving a more interactive experience, and AR technology has the power to make that a reality. The MLB already uses technologies like StatCast to measure pitch speed and trajectory in real time. Now imagine if that information was floating over the field, or you could see it in 3D through AR glasses. That would be insane. And with platforms like Unity, this type of interactive statistics could be fully customizable for fans. AR apps like the ones we're seeing in some soccer stadiums are taking fan experiences to the next level. Fans can see 3D replays of the most exciting plays and have data overlays while watching the game. Imagine doing this at the World Series with Blue Jays versus Dodgers. It would be a totally immersive experience. Teams like the Houston Astros are using augmented reality glasses to enhance their strategy and training. Coaches can see real-time stats and data, while players receive personalized tactical instructions. Imagine what this could do for performance in the World Series. Stadiums like San Francisco's are experimenting with AR on-site, allowing fans to use their phones or AR glasses to see stats, 3D replays, and more while they enjoy the game. And this isn't science fiction. It's happening now. Although we're in the early stages of augmented reality in sports, there's no doubt that this technology is going to transform baseball. What will happen when this becomes the norm? When you can see your favorite team in 3D, with real-time stats floating over the field and interact with the game like never before. The World Series of the future could become a completely immersive experience. If you're a fan of baseball and technology, the future is here, and it's going to be amazing. If you're excited about experiencing baseball with augmented reality, Unity, and everything technology can offer, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss more geeky content like this. Milado Nerd is the perfect place for fans of technology, gaming, and the future of sports. Join our community and be part of the technological adventure.